This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Julie Perdomo. Delightful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage and pool in the highly desirable community in Clearwater, Florida. Enter this lovely home through the foyer and you will immediately appreciate the bright and open floor plan, beautiful laminate floors, many windows, and sliding glass door. The living room features a wood-burning fireplace, glass sliders out to the patio, and a breakfast bar that invites you to pull up stools at the kitchen counter. The well-equipped kitchen is open and spacious with an eating area, ample storage and counter space, a pantry, and plenty of natural lighting. Just off the kitchen is the utility room with a washer and dryer and an entrance to the garage. The dining room is conveniently located across from the kitchen, creating an ideal space to entertain and host your guests. Enjoy the privacy of a split-bedroom floor plan that separates the primary suite from the other 2 bedrooms. The large primary suite enjoys an open walk-in closet, an additional wall closet, an ensuite bathroom, and a sliding door out to the screened-in patio. The fully fenced-in backyard features a beautiful sparkling pool and landscaping. With newer AC and water heater, fresh interior paint, no need for flood insurance, and a prime Clearwater location, this home presents an outstanding opportunity for comfort and convenience. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Julie Perdomo at 813-994-3793.